So what is up everybody, CodeWithYash here, and in this video we will be learning about three types of CSS. And for that, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, and also access my web development playlist if you have not accessed. The three types of CSS are firstly simple inline CSS, then internal and external. So we will learn about that all of them. So let's make another tut 11.html, and here add a boilerplate code. Okay, and name it like types of CSS. Okay, now if I write a paragraph here and let me start my server here as well. Here, so now here if I want to give it a property. In the previous video we learned some nodes background, we get example, so I will write here as you can see I am writing. I will let background color say, I think gray should be good. In the last server you can see that I have got the gray color. So now this is known as the inline CSS. Okay, inline CSS means writing the CSS in between the line. Okay, in between the line. Like I have written here, this small code is of CSS code, and this is because of this style tag. Style tag says that this is CSS. Okay, and this is HTML. Okay, the first type is CSS, inline CSS. Now, second type we can get is in here before the end of head. You can write style, and here you can write anything of CSS language. I will write the same thing. Now I can't write it in this way. Okay, thing is that I told you that the way of writing CSS is that first we need a selector, we need to target something. So the thing I want to target is P, then parenthesis, then these curly braces, and then uh, say I want to add background color and not gray, now red. Go here, but it's gray, so sad. Thing is that the inline CSS is way more powerful than that of internal CSS. So this is, I forgot to tell you that it is internal CSS. Okay, this is an internal CSS. Okay, so if I want to get this, I can here write important. Now if I go here, you can see that it is separate. This is because when I add this exclamation mark important, this states that this is very important, it cannot be overwritten, therefore it has become red. Okay, so I can choose on the color. I will say I want to build this. uh, yeah, it has got. So in this way this works. Okay, this concept works. So important helps in overwriting something. Say we have something like we don't want to change that. Okay, and we think that we can overwrite it by mistake, so we can add over important, but it is used only in CSS. Okay, applicable only in CSS. So we have learned what is inline and internal, and let us now see what is the external CSS. The thing is that external CSS is only used when you are making a big website or any big software like any React app or anything like that. Because when you have pretty much a very big code, then you will not be summing up all this thing in one HTML. Okay, this will make your code untidy, and using this is also not good because this will make your lines hardy to read and understand. Okay, so this is the way we will be using in our further videos. But when we will be making other websites, we will be doing the external CSS method. Let us see what is this. So now, so I will create an tut11.css. Okay, I have created a tut11.css, and here what I will write is a CSS code. To include this, say, let me remove this important from here. Okay, now here I want to target the P and set it background color to say red. No, not red, say black. Done. Go to here and you see that it doesn't change. It become gray uh, because of I have removed important here and this gray. So why this happened? Because this HTML does not know that there is a tut11 CSS for this. Okay, so to make him know that we have created and write the code here, we will add a CSS tag here. So you have to write link and select link is CSS, link CSS, and now here let us see what it REL means. What does the type? The type is a style sheet. Okay, now the href means the link, and it is see, it is giving us the uh, this code is giving us the amit, and I will choose this. Okay, now back into the browser. Let's reload. It doesn't work. Let us see what happened. Oh, the thing is that if I commented this out, oh no, I can't comment the whole thing. Sorry. So I will create another P. Wait for some seconds. I will tell you why I'm doing so. Here you can see it is brown. It is this. But now, why this doesn't happen? Like, why the external CSS work? Because external CSS is the weakest. Okay, you can see external CSS is the weakest. It doesn't have any power, so it can be overridden by anyone. So the thing I am gonna do is simply, you thought right. I write important here. Go in browser. You can see. Oh my gosh. Got black, really black, but I don't need black because I will not be. Oops, what's happening? Yeah, this is a good color. Now you can see this. So we learned how to add different types of CSS, and which is the most powerful. First, the most powerful is the inline, then the internal, and then the external. Okay. Okay then. And another announcement I'm gonna make is wait for a second. Okay. John. Oops, what's this? John. Now thing is that I hope that we will get the community tab here very soon. So till then we'll be using this discussion tab. Okay, I will be uploading some stuff, anything that I want to share with you there only, and you can also use this tab to interact with me. So I think this is pretty much for this video, guys, and do tell me in the comment sections what about reviews about this video and about my new logo. Yep, that's a nice logo, I think so. So I think this is pretty much for this video, guys, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every video I release. So thank you very much again, and I will see you next time.